Today we will learn how to convert data from row to column and from column to row in Excel. Here I have one row that we can convert into column, and the same data we can convert into again into row from column. Just have a look, select your row, copy it, and or you can cut and place in the column. Select the column, right click, and here is option of transpose. Sorry, you cannot cut this data, you have to just copy, then right click and transpose your data. There are six options, but you will just select transpose. Transpose T. Your all data that is in row form, it is converted into column. You can see there is no any variation. The same data from the column, if you want to convert into row, just copy this data. Do not cut, because when you will cut, your data will not be transposed. Then select the column, right click, again transpose. Your data will be converted into line. This is the simple step that you can do while your data analyzing. And this video is specially made for the research students or those who work in data calculation from Excel, from SPSS, and from GraphPad Prism. Thank you for watching this video.